People don't talk about this enough. Over 2 billion people use WhatsApp daily, yet only a few are aware that you can actually make money from it. In 2024, making money on WhatsApp is easier than ever. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get started today. And we're gonna look at how these people are doing it. The easiest way to get started is by creating a WhatsApp community. If you don't know where to start, think about your interests or passions. Create a group for like-minded people and talk about it on social media. If you're a creator, turn your audience into community members. Gather them into a WhatsApp community. To know more about what a WhatsApp community is and how to set it up, you can check out this step-by-step guide video we made. Now, how can you start earning money on WhatsApp? See, WhatsApp currently doesn't have features that support monetization, but you can connect your WhatsApp community to a platform that lets you do all of these. Here's how to do it. Go to Nasa.io. Create a community in just a few clicks. On your portal, go to Settings. Select Chat. Here, you can connect your WhatsApp community. It's a straightforward process. Just add the invite link. Click Continue, and the integration is complete. Now, let's talk about the 4 ways you can start earning on this messaging platform. Starting with membership. This is one of the most sustainable ways to earn money on WhatsApp. Generate recurring revenue for yourself by charging a membership fee. If you run a fitness community, you could offer a premium membership that includes weekly personalized workout plans, diet tips, and exclusive live Q&A sessions with fitness experts. Just go to Settings, click Member Access, and choose Paid. You can add multiple payment plans: monthly, quarterly, biannual, and even an annual plan. You can also add discount codes and free trial options for your members. What's great about this is that everything is automated. New members joining your community will automatically be directed to the WhatsApp group. Additionally, if a member leaves the community, they will also be removed from the WhatsApp group. This guy is making around $200,000 a year. He is charging $100 a month for people to get access to his WhatsApp community. Here, they can join his weekly workshops, network, and get access to members-only courses. Next, events. Host online events like webinars, workshops, or Q&A sessions. For a culinary WhatsApp community, you could host a series of online cooking classes or wine tasting events. Promote your event on your WhatsApp community and direct interested members to a payment link to purchase tickets. Members who paid will automatically get access to the WhatsApp event group. You can also sell other digital products like courses, guides, or any specialized knowledge you have. If you have a community around photography, you can create an ebook on how to take better photos, or offer an online photography course, and share the links to purchase these digital products in your WhatsApp group. And last, but not the least, newsletters. Create newsletters that provide additional value, such as industry insights, personal advice, or exclusive news. If you're just starting and want to share curated content, you can do that by gathering your favorite YouTube videos or any other resources related to your niche. Go to the Content tab, create a new folder, and add a banner and description and paste the links. Broadcast the newsletter to all your members individually and see the open rates through Magic Reach. Let's take a look at this community as an example. Matt Navarra sends weekly social media updates that he curated from his members for $6 a month. With these 4 ways, you can start monetizing your WhatsApp community right now. Unlike other social media platforms, WhatsApp is free from ads and competition, giving you a unique opportunity to connect with your audience on a personal level. New Year is the perfect time to sell and create products. It's a good chance to do something new, and your chances to sell today are higher than ever. So make this your time to create a winning product. Remember, it's all about providing value to your audience and building a loyal following. So, start exploring these methods today and see what works best for you.